In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if purchases cannot be completed on iTunes on your Windows computer, if that's an error message you're coming across. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be just to restart iTunes altogether. Make sure you have an active internet connection on that. And hopefully that should be able to resolve the problem. If not, go ahead and open back up iTunes again if you maybe closed out of it. And then you want to select the item up at the top that says account, select authorizations, and then select authorize this computer. You will need to sign into your Apple account in order to confirm, and then hopefully that should resolve the problem. If it was already authorized, you'd want to go and select account and then unauthorize or deauthorize this computer, and then go back in and authorize this computer again. Make sure your date and time settings are also correct down in your system tray. That could be a potential reason why the payment isn't going through. And you can also select the Edit tab up at the top of iTunes and then select Preferences. Select the item on the top right that says Advanced, and then select Reset iTunes Store Cache. Select Reset Cache, and then select OK. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.